Hi everyone, I'm Vitomir from Phrase, and today I'll show you how to create and localize on-brand multilingual marketing assets right inside Figma Buzz using the Phrase plugin. Figma Buzz is Figma's new tool for marketing and content teams to create on-brand assets at scale. And now with the Phrase strings integration, you can translate copy within Figma Buzz in seconds without even leaving the application. So here's how it works. I can open my Buzz design either through the header or I already have a template I worked on with my team. So when I open this up, I want to activate the strings phrase plugin. I should go to the plugins here. If you don't see it here or cannot find it through the search, you can always browse more in the community and then activate and run it. It will appear here. You can save it and then you can run this right on the design. You click here to open this up in the model. And here we go. As you can see, it already recognized all the content from my template, which is currently on English language. And I want to push this to the strings project. The strings and content will be sent to the strings application. It will be automatically translated using SmartMT. And all I need to do is just pull this content back on the target translation I need. I pull it back to Figma Buzz, and as you can see, it created another row. I'll change the view so you can see this. So this is my original template on English source, and here is the translated on German language. Why this matters? Your team can now ensure that every marketing asset from display ads to one-pagers is on brand, on message, and ready for every market. No back and forth, no waiting on updates. Copy stays consistent across every language. Designers and marketeers work in the same space, and localization happens seamlessly, as you saw, in the background at the point of the design in seconds. And that's it. You've just seen how phrase strings and Figma Buzz work together to extend your brand's reach in every language without slowing down your creative process. So stay close and keep on phrasing. Cheers.